Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there lived a little hedgehog named Henry. Henry wasn't like the other hedgehogs. His spikes were a bit shorter and not as sharp. Every day, Henry would waddle through the forest, trying to make friends with the other animals, but there was a problem. You see, there was a group of bigger hedgehogs who liked to tease Henry about his tiny spikes. "Hey, short spikes," they would shout, "bet you can't protect yourself with those." Henry would usually just curl into a little ball and wish he could disappear. But one day, something magical happened. As Henry was hiding under a leaf, a wise old owl named Oliver flew down beside him. "Why so glum, little one?" asked Oliver. Henry, sniffing a little, told him about the bullies. Oliver listened carefully, then said with a wise twinkle in his eye, "Henry, it's not the size of your spikes that matters, but the size of your heart. And I see a big heart in you. Why don't you show those bullies how kind you can be?" Henry thought about Oliver's words. The next day he gathered all the fallen fruits around and left them near the bullies' dens. The bullies were surprised. "Why would you do this for us?" they asked, puzzled. "I just thought you might be hungry," Henry said with a shy smile. Slowly, the bullies started to see Henry differently. They saw that he might have tiny spikes, but he had a big heart, ready to forgive and share. From that day on, Henry didn't just walk through the forest, he had friends to walk with. The bullies learned that it's kindness, not spikes, that makes someone strong. And Henry, well, he was just happy to be himself, tiny spikes and all. And so, in our little fairy tale forest, a tiny hedgehog with a big heart taught everyone that even the smallest among us can make a big difference. Remember, it's not what's on the outside, but what's inside that counts. The end